Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet for leaf clover. I used medium worsted yarn, an F hook. The pattern is down below and you can go up or down on your hook size. This is just a few inches in size. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, you're going to create the magic circle and slip stitch into it. If this is your first time, I have a link for the magic circle. And go ahead and single crochet. So yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and if this is too slow you can place this in slow motion. The link is down below on how to do so. Then I'm going to chain 6, slip stitch in that first chain, and then I'm going to slip stitch into the ring. So then just pull through for the slip stitch, and then I'm going to chain 6 and repeat that. Chain 6 and slip stitch in the beginning chain, repeat for a total of 4, so 3 more times. So slip stitch in again and then chain 6 again. Okay, so end with a slip stitch and then you're going to pull it close and start working in those chain 6 spaces. Slip stitch into that chain 6, work 4 double crochet to start, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, continue for a total of 3 more, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same space, and then chain 1 and then double crochet 4 more times in the same chain 6 space. Slip stitch in the same space and then slip stitch again right in the center front there. You're going to continue with slip stitching into the next chain 6 space. You will repeat the same exact way with 4 double crochet. chain 1 and double crochet, and then chain 1, and then work 4 double crochet again, and you'll just repeat that the same exact way for the next 2 chain 6 spaces. Slip stitch in the same space, and then slip stitch again in the center, and then just repeat that again for the last 2 leaves, and then you can fasten off. Okay, going to make a stem. You have the center there that you can pull tight to secure it, and then chain 8, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, and then slip stitch in each chain across until you get to the beginning. Then you'll weave in your ends and fasten off. Now just weave in your ends in the back a few times, and then this 4 leaf clover is complete. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.